to your house, madam? How? How will I not come to your house?
Do you know you're a mere ordinary common driver?
Oh, I'm an ordinary common driver. Yes, I'm an ordinary common driver. But guess what? I am happy. I'm a happy human being. I am happy. I have 1,000 naira in my account, but when I go outside now, I'm going to use that money to buy granite, gari, and cold water with kuli safe and milk. And I will drink it and I'll be happy.
Oh, please, you're talking too
you
much.
You cannot be happy. You can't be happy because happiness comes from inside. You need to be happy from inside. You want the whole world to pity you. Look at you. You're on a wheelchair. I mean, I'm supposed to be pitying you to say, oh, sorry, man, and feel good for you. But no, I can't. Because you're a terrible person. The whole world is not going to cry.
Get out of this place,
The whole world will not
Get
cry
out!
because you're on a wheelchair, man.
Get out of this place! Just get out!
Wake up! Wake up, man. Have a good day.
I've been stuck in the dark, I feel it so well. Hoping to heal in a space that is timeless. Oh, you're still living, but fading away by seconds. Each passing day leaves me with so much pain. I keep asking, could this be my fate? I need to heal. I need to heal.
Are you mad? Are you insane? Are you okay? Why are you so incompetent? What is wrong with everybody in this house? Why are you guys okay? Every time I ask for fresh food, all you do is give me stale food, huh? I know your plan. Your plan is to finish me. Everyone in this house wants to kill me, huh? You will not succeed. You.
Loretta, what is going on here? I was hearing you shout, and why do you have water on your face?
You want to know what's going on here? This is what is going on here.
Loretta, are you insane? What's the meaning of this?
This is the meaning of this. I'm actually explaining, or rather illustrating to you what's the meaning of this. Huh? Because you're now a police guy to come and ask me what is going on. So I should not talk to my domestic managers. I should not talk to my workers, huh? Oh, Damien, you've now come to a point that you're trying to teach me how to talk, how to express myself to my workers, huh?
Hey, you need to calm down, okay? I understand you're angry, you're frustrated with life. You're not happy with life. Okay, but you can't keep taking out your anger and frustration on innocent people like this. I mean, look at you, just poured water on her face and you poured me food. What have you got into my eyes?
And you should be thankful that it never got into your eyes, because I would have loved to see that scene. I would have loved to see that kind of pain in your tears, huh? I would have loved to see you cry, because that is how I'm feeling. I would want to see that pain in your eyes so that you feel what's the meaning of real pain.
I understand you're angry, you're frustrated because of your situation, but you can't keep pouring out your frustration and anger on innocent people like this. What did Rosa do to you, for God's sake?
Yes, and that is it. I should not keep on throwing my frustrations on other people. Maybe I should throw my frustrations on you, Damien. Eh? You're the one who put me in this condition. It is because of you that I'm here. It is because of you that I'm this unhappy. It is because of you that I'm this frustrated.
Rosa, I'm sorry. Please, go to the kitchen. Go clean up.
Wait. So I should not scold her?
Rosa, just go.
I should not talk to my domestic managers?
Nobody's telling you not to correct her, okay? But what you did is wrong. How do you want her to look at you? You're bringing yourself down. Yes.
What did you just say?
You know what? You are exhausted. You need to go inside.
Don't come close. Don't touch me.
Loretta, I said you need to...
I said don't come close to me.
We're still talking, Loretta.
Talking? Why would I be talking to you? Such an ungrateful, useless creature. I have nothing to discuss with you, Damien.
Loretta, why are you always hurling insults at me at every chance you get? Why? Fine, you're my elder sister, okay? But don't beat yourself up for this. What's the problem? You used to love and protect me. What changed?
And what did I get from loving and protecting you? Sitting on a wheelchair, being unable to walk, depending on people? Is that what I should be thankful for? I mean, I will never forgive you. You put me in this position, and I will never forgive you for this.
Loretta, I'm not even asking you to forgive me. I'm not asking you to forgive me. I'm only saying, don't beat yourself up for this, okay? I mean, you used to be very loving, very cheerful. Look at you now. You're a monster now, for God's sake. What have you become? Okay, take Rosa for example. What did Rosa do to you? Rosa, you used to protect and love Rosa. Now you're treating Rosa like a stranger.
Get out of my room.
We're still talking.
Dad, I'm so done with you, Damian. Will you people just leave me alone? Just leave me alone.
Fine. I'll go, okay? But let me tell you something. Remember what I said. Don't beat yourself up. Don't go around punishing others, okay? You're only punishing yourself.
Leave.
And you'll lose at the end.
I've been stuck in the dark with a shadow of myself, fighting just to smile, but not feeling so well. Hoping to heal in a space that is timeless. Oh, still living, but fading away.
I'm trying my best, Loretta. Heaven knows I'm trying my best. Can you just help me? Just help me, that's all I need. Or else we're going to run mad together.
I need to heal. I need to heal. I need to heal. Such a reality to accept, such a truth but hard. Just in a space of a little time, a switch between who I was and who I am. Two persons, only one body. Whoa, that's the fight I face.
What is wrong with you? Is this how I'm supposed to get to the meeting? Why are you crawling? My man, step on that car. Drive the car. I know you have not been able to get over the fact that at your age, you have not been able to own a car like this one. That's why you're crawling. Huh? Please, drive. Ah! Look at... Do you want to kill me? Are you mad? Oh, this is the plan to end my life, eh? So you can run away with my car. Stupid person. Look at you. Huh? Old man. At your age, you are still a driver. Would you slow down before you end my life with your useless life? What does it even... You can't even drive anyhow you want to drive, because I know that no matter how you drive this car now, even if you die, nobody will even notice that you're dead. Huh? Yes, nobody will notice it. Are you mad? Did you just pull over? For what? Wait a minute. See, I am the employer here. I employed you. I call the shots. Huh? If I say move, you move. If I say stop, you stop. Why did you stop?
I'm sorry, sir, but I quit.
What?
Yes. Sir, I said I quit. I mean, you're a good driver. You know how to drive. You're the one that is of age and know how to drive a car that is very expensive. So, sir, why don't you come and drive yourself? I'm sure it will be really nice. How long have I worked with you, sir? 5 months. And in that 5 months, you've given me insults that would last me a lifetime.
Sir, enough is enough. I quit. All right? I don't want to work with you again before I will do something that I would regret. All right? I do not want to hold someone's death or something that will happen to someone on my conscience. I don't want to be responsible. Please, before one day now, I will drive this car and drive us into the lagoon because of your many insults.
Please, I just pray that God will give you the person that is going to take over and will punish you, sir. I just pray that God will give you the person that when he takes over this job, the God will use that person to show you pepper. That person will punish you. God will use that person to punish you because me, in as much as it has gotten to that level, but no, I cannot have you on my conscience, sir. It's not possible. So I'm sorry, sir. I quit. You can enjoy yourself and drive your car.
What? Did he just resign? He just resigned. Who gave him the guts? Huh? What an arrant nonsense. What an effrontery.
Guy, what happened? No work today?
Yeah, I quit.
Which one be say you quit? Oh, how would you quit? Tell me better thing, job.
I'm serious, I quit. That job na job. Every time somebody will just call an insult, that man will be maltreating somebody, say I shouldn't quit. I'll wake up in the morning and be thinking of job that I'm going to this is another day. I'm traumatized, guy. I don't quit. It's better I quit. Trust me.
Guy, I just came in from night shifts now, and I said make I rest more. You know that this is your job now in the, help us balance accounts for here now.
Guy,
why you come quit your job like that?
Accounts go still balance. You get, you go balance. But it's better say I quit that job. Because if not, one day that man, I go the drive him, he go just insult me, I go just carry that car, drive him mental lagoon, all of us will just die. This is funny, Abby. I'm serious, guy, I'm serious. Because that's my head. Bro, just leave him. It's better I quit. The account will balance it later. Find another way.
See, you never reach like that. See, I understand what you're going through, but to get jobs these days is very, very hard. It's very, very hard. Because even the one way you can't get, you can't go quit out. Man, guy, this quitting weak me.
It's better I quit that job because life no day to. Do you understand me? No day to.
Man. How will continue to do like this now? Wow.
Yeah, I'll get another job. Which one say
Wow. This one weak man.
I like Damien.
Charlie,
Have fun.
what's going on?
I should be asking you what's going on. You're not dressed.
Dressed for what?
Today is Friday. You're supposed to go out. And I've been calling your numbers. You no pick.
Wait. I don't even know where I put that phone. I think that one is upstairs.
Guys, see, it's been a long time we went out together. Just go dress up. Let's go.
I don't think it's a good idea. I don't think I want to go out.
Why is that?
Which one is why? Why are you talking as if you don't know the situation on ground? If my sister needs me now, what's going to happen? Oh, you were not around yesterday now, so you don't know the drama that went down in this house. Please, I don't want any walao. I beg. Let me just stay indoors. I beg. When she needs me, I'll just help her.
Hold on. Are you guys still on this matter like this?
Oh, God.
For God's sake, it's been months the incident happened. And I believe as day goes by, she will pick up her life and move on. If she continues like this, she will never find happiness and she won't let you.
Motivational speaker. It's easy to say now because you're not in my shoes. It's 9 months, bro. 9 freaking months that this thing happened. Yes, my sister has refused to let go. I'm the one doing everything in this house. Don't you understand? Please, I don't want to go. If you want me to go out on a Friday night, thank you.
So where is she?
Somewhere in her room. Why did you ask?
Let me see her.
If she insults you, it's not my business. Oh.
Hello, sis.
What do you want?
I came to see you. I just came into the house and your brother said you were in your room. So I said, let me come and say hi to you. How you feeling? How you doing?
How you feeling? How you doing? What kind of stupid question is that? Oh, sorry, I forgot. Oh my goodness, I'm partying! Drinks everywhere! Sharia! Oh! Happy now?
Okay, come on. I didn't mean it that way, okay? But for God's sake, I know whatever happened to you was bad, but then I feel as the day goes by, you
be feeling better, not worse.
Yes, I'm feeling worse. Or do you have a remedy for that? Wait a minute. Who even gave you the permission to come to my room?
Sis, calm down.
Don't call me sis. I'm not your sister. I'm not related to you, and I will never have a relationship with you.
I don't understand. Can't someone just come and greet you again?
I don't want someone to come and greet me. I don't want anyone to come and see me. I don't want. What part of I don't want? Don't you understand? Can you just leave me alone? I'm tired. Leave me alone.
Okay.
Go. Okay, go. What are you waiting for? Go.
I'm going.
Go. What?
Welcome. Let me guess. She has told you the story of your life.
Honestly, bro, I didn't see that coming.
I want you. I mean, I heard all the screaming, all the shouting. She didn't even show you much. The house is not vibrating yet. She just gave you something small and your face is like this. So you see what I'm going through in this house? My life is on standby practically.
I know this house she has been from the beginning. But at the same time, I expected that by this time, she should have calmed down.
Honestly, I wish what you said now, I wish I could make it happen. I wish I could make her calm down. But no, my sister goes from calming down to getting worse by the day. It's like, it's like living in hellfire. And then every day, you see one brand new demon. Every day, they unlock one new side of a demon in her. And you want me to step out of this house so that when I come back, this house will become another branch of hellfire, Abby? No, thank you. Of course.
Honestly, I understand what you're going through.
You do?
I do.
So, that's why I can't go. Sorry.
I understand. But on a second thought, if she doesn't want you to go out, we can just stay here, drink, and watch football. How about that?
Frying pan to fire. So when she comes out and she sees us watching football, and then we are celebrating, and then you go home, and I'm left here, who's going to face the consequences?
See, that is why we're not going to do it here. We'll just get everything we need, the food, the drink, take it to your room, kill the volume of the TV if necessary, and we are good. We can still have fun indoor.
Okay. Okay. I like this idea, but okay.
Don't worry, nothing will happen.
Why are you the one setting the dining?
Is there anything wrong with me?
Where's this one? Rosa! Rosa!
Mom, yeah.
Yeah. What is wrong with you? Are you okay? Are you insane? Is that why I'm paying you? Are you okay? Are you nuts? Are you crazy? What is your problem? Why am I paying you? My friend is here bringing me food and you have the guts of telling me, yeah. Is that why I'm paying you?
I'm sorry, ma. She asked me to do something else for her, ma.
That's just an excuse. I won't accept this kind of disrespect.
Lorenta, calm down. I asked her to do something for me while I'm serving the food. Is there anything wrong with me serving you food?
Yes, everything is wrong with that. It is her responsibility. And I won't take that kind of disrespect.
Lorenta, you are the one disrespecting yourself. You are the one disrespecting the food. I mean, you are not the only one having hunger issues. We all have it, but we just put it in check. I mean, what is the problem?
Are you raising your voice at me?
Oh yes, because you are losing your mind. I mean, what is your problem? I understand you're going through a lot. I understand what you're going through. I'm your friend. But please, do not vent your anger on people. It's wrong. You are doing so much. Please. This was an accident. It could happen to anybody. You are punishing other people for what happened to you. No. You are punishing yourself. You deny yourself happiness. You don't want to be loved. And at the end of the day, other people will move on with their lives. And they will leave you behind. There is a limit to how much people can take. You have to be very careful. You have to be careful.
Yeah, you have a doctor's appointment by 10 o'clock tomorrow. And yeah, that's it. I will sort out your clothes if you don't mind.
I'm not going anywhere.
Loretta, you have to see the doctor. He has to check your progress.
Oh, I have to see the doctor. What is he going to help me with? Is he going to make me walk again? Is he going to make me stand? I'm not going anywhere.
Loretta, why are you making life difficult for people around you? Why?
Are you trying to advise me? Huh? Do you want to advise me, huh?
I'm obviously not advising you. I'm just saying. Why are you beating yourself up about this? I mean, there's still hope about this, okay? There's still hope. Don't ruin everything making it about yourself. Come on.
As I said, I'm not going anywhere, so get out of my room. I want to sleep.
Loretta, please.
Can you just get out of my room? Ah!
Loretta, are you good?
Where are you going?
Why are you asking where I'm going? To the office, of course.
I'm going to the office, of course. Damien, you're supposed to be taking me to the hospital and you're busy going to the office.
Loretta, for God's sake, I asked you earlier, should I take you to the hospital? You said no. So I said, fine, let me go to the office and do something. And this is when you want me to take you to the hospital? Come on.
Damien, you're very selfish. You're very stupid, ungrateful.
What?
Yes, very selfish.
Why are you sounding so angry like this?
And how am I supposed to sound? Tell me. How am I supposed to sound? Instead of taking me to the hospital, you're here dressed up, dashing. Yeah, yo, I'm the new CEO in town, huh? That is the plan. You put me in this position so that you could take over the company, Damien. This was your plan. This was your initial plan.
Loretta, for God's sake, I have never called myself the new CEO. Okay? God knows I'm trying my best to get through to you. Come, let's reason together, but no. Your arrogance would not allow you. Try and see things from my own perspective. I told you, let me take you to the hospital. You said no. So now I want to go to the office for us. That is when you want me to take you to the hospital. Come on, make it make sense. You had an accident, fine. You expect me to pay for this for the rest of my life? I'm sorry. Okay? I have a life of my own, in case you don't know.
How dare you talk to me like that? How horrible are you? You're the one who put me in this position and you have the guts of saying that. You're even putting it on my face, huh?
You keep saying this over and over and over again. Do you have anything else to say? Have a good day.
Rosa! Would you bring me water?
Come on.
So guy, what's up now? What's the plan?
Well, the plan is to go and hustle job. We'll go and get a job, man. Can get a job. I just pray I get what I'm looking for today. That's just the prayer. Yes, because guy, I'm tired of all this driving job. Just pray I get something good. Even if it will be driving job, at least let it be something with a proper company. Big one that will pay me with benefits, you know. Not all these ones that private individual will be destroying somebody's life and self-esteem with insults.
My guy, make peace with yourself. Oh. Huh? There are people who are even overqualified for this driving job. They are still doing it. A lot of people are leaving school every day, hoping and craving for this driving job. What you pray for is that you get a good boss, not that you can't do driving job. Some companies are worse than individuals. You don't know.
Well,
My guy, if you see driving job, grab am, hula. No be say I no driving. My guy, hold it up. Ha.
Well, I need get job because if not, hunger will kill me. Okay, hunger deal.
Okay, day now. Now so you go one way you even get where they use balance account, you just go resign. Ha, my guy.
Well,
I want
guy,
for you.
I can never regret resigning that job. I can never regret quitting it at all. Which kind of job is that? The man will pay me salary. Next thing I used to go and treat depression. No, reason is now. Someone will use words to destroy my self-esteem. Just finish me. Guy, I beg. I'm human. I'm human. I have feelings. I'm not taking that kind of job. Today, if I get something good, God, big boy. I don't know.
Voila, no, voila. Just say anyone where you see hold and tight. Don't say you want to quit driving job. Ha, guy.
Hi! Look who's here. It's me.
Are you mad? Are you okay? Are you crazy? What are you trying to do? Are you trying to hug me?
What's so wrong with hugging you? I've been away for 3 months. I was only trying to embrace you.
I've been away for 3 months. Huh? Wait a minute. Remind me, am I supposed to hug you? You are sleeping with my brother. You're not sleeping with me. So I don't understand what is going on here.
For how long will you hold on to this hate and anger? What have I done wrong? I was only trying to embrace you because I miss you.
Yeah, you miss me. Well, there's no room for you in this house. And if you feel like that's because you're sleeping with my brother, you will one day get married to him and move in this house. Oh, you're very wrong, huh? I know your trick. I know your plan. The plan is to steal my father's wealth. It's to steal the company from me, yeah? Then you really need to think again because that is not going to happen.
Still what? The company? You practically run it. Though you're in the wheelchair, he runs the activities in your name. So what is this?
Exactly, and that is what I mean. Everything is written on my name, but why am I not there? Why is he the one who is there, huh? I know your plan. Your plan is to steal everything away from me. And then you have the guts to come here and shower me with fake love.
Fake love? You call this fake love? Is that how low you think of me? Look, I don't know how your brother manages to cope with you, but I've had it up to here with you. You are the reason why I've stayed away from this place for way too long because I've never seen such a bitter person like you. You don't want to achieve something, you want no one else to achieve it. Because you're in the wheelchair, you think the whole world should revolve around you. You want to stay home, you want everybody to stay home. I've had enough. You are so selfish. Let your brother breathe. Let him progress. Let him excel. He has tried. Move on. It was an accident. Anyway, I practically don't expect anything from a self-centered, stingy, and selfish person like you. You're nothing but someone who is obsessed with her own pain. Rubbish. Have a good day.
Hi. I didn't know you were back. I thought you were kidding when you said you're around. How are you?
I'm fine.
What's wrong?
My sister, of course. I came straight from the airport just to see you, but she has given me the insult of my life today. Like, how do you cope with this? For how long will you continue like this? She's just constantly pushing you all around. It's becoming so annoying, honestly.
I don't understand. Okay, where are you going now?
To my house, of course. Where else will I be going? I'm tired. I'm going home. I've had a very hectic day.
Come on, you just came. You've not even spent time with me. See, I know my sister can be very tough, okay?
Yeah.
But let's go inside. We'll sort it.
Go where? I'm not stepping my foot into the house. Not today. I'm tired. I've had a long day.
Come on, babe, please. Even if it's just 5 minutes, please.
No, please. I just need to go home and rest. I'm really sorry. Love you.
Hi, sis. I saw Nancy leaving the house. What's wrong?
Come, let me whisper something to you.
What are you whispering? It's just me and you here. Talk. Is there any problem?
Just come.
Talk! What's the problem?
Come.
Okay.
Yes, this is for allowing your stupid girlfriend to come to this house and insult me, huh? Just because she's in a relationship, she feels like I cannot be in a relationship, huh? Because I'm on a wheelchair. And she even has the guts to grab it on my face.
Loretta, why are you bitter? Well, tell me, why are you bitter? For God's sake, Nancy just got back and
This is the treatment she gets from you? You're even physically assaulting me. You slapped me. Do you realize I'm a human being? I have a life of my own, for God's sake. Ever since this thing happened, you've been pinning it on everybody. What's the problem? Okay, yes, you asked me to drive the day this accident happened. You asked me to drive. I didn't want to leave the house. You insisted. You said, let's go. You asked me to drive. And now, ever since this happened, you want to pin it on me? You want me to suffer for this for the rest of my life? You want me to pay for this for the rest of my life?
Yes! You will pay for it, Damien. You will pay for it. You cannot put me in this condition and just go on with your life as if nothing happened, Damien. You go to the office. You go out with your girlfriend. You party. Your life goes on while I'm seated on this wheelchair. No. Damien, it will not happen. You will pay for it.
You know what to do, right? Go for a therapy or something. I mean, if you want to walk like every other normal person, you know what to do. If you want to come to the office, come. Come like there's nobody stopping you. But no, your ego, your pride, your stupid arrogance will not allow you. Come on. And let me tell you, there's a limit to everything, okay? This, you cross the line with this.
Ah, Kai, how far now? Any hope? How did he go?
Oh, guy. How's you know? All these people were just telling me no vacancy, no space. Giving me flimsy excuse why they will not employ me.
Ah, my guy, the earlier the better. The earlier the better, my guy.
Guy, look, guy, I beg. Don't put me under any pressure. Don't pressure me. I'm already under pressure as it stands like this. Please don't add your own to it. I beg.
See, the reason why I'm saying this, landlord called again, oh. That
Guy,
man just
that man should get out. You see that landlord? He should get out. Is he the only landlord in this world? In this Lagos, is he the only one that built house? Please, that man should just go and sit down. Have we been owing him before?
We've not now.
We've not. So what? Which one is all this one? Everybody knows that the economy just has the way it has gone now. So it's just chill. It's anything not come and pressure me. Oh, as I am like this, I don't want pressure.
See,
leave,
see,
guy.
you know all these this town and their landlords are very, very,
Yeah, I don't care. Let
very
them
annoying
get
and
out.
the rest. So, beg, we'll just find way, sort out all these things on time. Oh. So you get. So how far? Food the house.
Yes, say no, pressure me. See, they ask me for food. The man pressure.
I need the amount pressure for it. I just they ask you, now you first come back now. So why whether you don't arrange food or something, maybe person no. Need the
I've been stuck in the dark with a shadow of myself, fighting just to smile, but I'm feeling so well. Hoping to heal in a space that is timeless. Oh, still living, but fading away per seconds. Each passing day leaves me with so much pain. I keep asking, could this be my fate? I need to hear. I need to hear.
Nancy, please don't do this to me, please.
Such a reality to accept.
Ah,
Such a truth, but hard. Just
Nancy, please.
a little time. A switch
Nancy, you're the only one I have left in this life. God. Nancy, don't let me lose you, please. Just try one more time. Let me try with this.
so impossible. These situations not really merciful. Love, oh love, is that you or somebody else? I need to hear.
What's the meaning of all this? What kind of nonsense is this, huh? You brought me all the way from the house to come and drop me by the roadside?
Don't you see how hot this place is?
Loretta, first of all, you are comfortable in this car, okay? And I'm your brother, I'm not a mechanic. What do you want me to do?
The benefit of having a brother that cannot fix an ordinary car? What kind of a man are you?
Call me ordinary, okay? Call me ordinary. I cannot fix this car. There is nothing I can do about it. There is nothing you can do about it too. I'm trying to call the mechanic. It's not connecting. What do you want me to do?
I want you to fix this car. You can easily crash other cars. You can drive it. You can crash me and make me crippled, but you can't fix an ordinary car.
See, if it's about connecting wires, if it's about fixing this car, check online. Check for, I will tell you the model of the car. You will find out how to do it. You will come down and you do it. What's your problem? Why are you stressing me?
Damien, are you trying to insult me? Are you trying to make me stupid? Huh? You trying to put it on my face that I'm on a wheelchair? I can't. You're just trying to throw it on my face, huh?
Loretta, 1 minute. The world doesn't revolve around you, okay? I'm trying my best, for God's sake. See, I love and respect you. That's why I'm talking like this. If you continue at this rate, both of us will run mad here. What's your problem? Sorry, hello, excuse me. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm sorry to bother you. Do you live around this place?
Yeah, not so far.
Oh, thank God. Please, do you know any mechanic around? We're going somewhere and,
Yeah, there used to be one somewhere down there, but I think I saw them having an issue yesterday, so they locked the place.
oh God.
Yes. So you won't see anybody there. What's wrong with the car?
I don't know. We're coming and the car was jacking. Goes off, come on, and I just had to park it here to a safe place.
Oh, that's probably your fuel pump malfunctioning.
I
Yes.
don't have any idea about it.
Would you want me to take a look at the car?
I wouldn't mind, bro. Thank you so much. Let me hold that for you. It's working. Wow, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, bro. So, how much?
How much? No, bro. Is the country that bad? Oh, bro, come on. I saw you in need and I just used my skills that I already have to fix it. It's not a big deal. Don't worry.
I'm sorry. I didn't just know what to say or think, so that's why I said that.
It's okay.
Nevertheless, where you going? I can drop you off.
Oh, I actually just, I'm coming back from a job interview where I went to get a job, but since it didn't turn out, I'm going home actually.
Job interview?
Yes.
How did it go?
Bro, it didn't go well, but we still move.
What kind of job, if I may ask?
Anyone actually. I actually was working as a driver to someone, but he relocated now, so I'm looking for another job. Yeah.
You know what's gonna happen? I'll give you my card. You'll see my house address there. Please call me. We can, work something out.
Okay, thank you.
What? 1 minute. Here. Please call me. Huh?
All right, thank
We'll
you.
definitely work something out.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. I mean, this means a
Yes.
lot to me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, let me just...
This car was fixed by your fellow man, useless creature.
I'm coming. Oh, come in.
Thank you.
Welcome. You can have your seat, bro.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Sure. I mean, a person that is in need will always look for where he can meet that need. You get?
So I won't waste much of your time, okay?
Yeah.
The honest truth is I need a driver. Oh, not for myself, for my sister. So the thing is, my sister had an accident that got her confined to a wheelchair for long. Yeah, I mean, nothing can be done, so that's it. The problem is that she wants me to do every single thing for her. She wants me to take her to the hospital, take her to church, go for grocery shopping. She wants it to be me all the time. But I have a life to live.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. I mean,
She has put my life on standstill. So I felt, what's the point? Like I should just employ someone. I just need someone to be on standby.
Yes.
That's it.
I mean, why not? That's what we are here for. You get. You cannot be taking out all this money.
Exactly. But my sister is very cranky. In fact, cranky is not the word. My sister is annoying. My sister is saucy. Yes.
All this in one person.
Yes. As a matter of fact, I don't know.
Oh well. Mr. Damien, you see, the truth is, when you saw me that day, I told you that my boss traveled. I was lying, so I'll be honest with you. I quit that job because that man used to insult me. He used to insult the living daylight out of me. Wow. He's crankier. You understand? So it will not make sense that I leave that job, I quit that job, only to come here and take the same thing. I mean, look at it now. It's now looking as if that's my destiny. Do you get? So, I mean, it's one thing now for a man to be the one insulting me. Now your own is even a woman. You know, bro, so I can't do it. I'm so sorry.
500,000.
Sorry.
I will pay you 500,000 every month. I just need you to be on standby. She doesn't really do much, okay? She just goes for doctor's appointments. You stay there with her. You bring her back. Anytime she feels like going to church, you take her there. That's it.
500K?
Yes.
Your sister, is she okay? I mean,
what's the meaning of that?
Like, mentally, she's ahead, correct?
Yes. Why do you ask?
Are you sure, sir? Because see, 500,000 for me to drive her to the hospital. That's what you said.
Yes, you heard me loud.
The way you said it, it's your money you're calling. It's looking as if there's something else to this job that you're trying to give me.
I'm just trying to, cushion the effect of what you're about to go into because she will definitely insult you. I put it to you that you will hear the last of it. So, the offer is on the table. What do you say?
Is it only insults? She will insult me.
Yeah, well, insults, basically.
So when can I start receiving this insult? I mean, the job. When can I start?
Are you serious about this?
Insult me.
What money cannot do does not exist in this life. I swear to God.
What kind of talk is that?
You!
Yeah.
we reject 100K job based on say they insult you. You can't collect this one with your full chest, Jagaban. You won't carry on the insult.
Guy, what do you expect? As respect no day now. Make money day. It better pass you say at least money day than make I can't go day where money no day. Respect self. You know still collect. I see they collect insult. No. Guy, this is 100K for that other one where they cost me anyhow. This one now na extra 400. Buy fish, guy. As I go there, anything where that woman won't talk, make she insult me. I go to tell her, yeah, man, yes, you're right. I'm an idiot too. Yes. No. Yes. That's the way they gave birth to me. You know that we don't have sense in our family.
Yes.
I go chop all the insult where she wants. That money, I go collect her. Guy. I swear to God.
You know well, my guy.
I know well, 400K extra on top of my former 100K. I know one well. But as the guy was just saying, though, he said the girl was nice before, but it's the accident that got her to the place that she is now. And then guess what? As we talk finish, this guy just carry extra 100K. Sama me say that is part of my money from the salary. This is even before I start.
You don't mean it?
Yes, now. As I did like this.
On a border GUB, but come to think of it, this one they press you money like this. You should say that thing are just normal aggression. You don't pass on that thing because it's just this they don't press you 100K like this. 2 seconds.
Assistance now, as long as no be mad woman. Anything which you want to make she bring am. As one day I go try, I go calm am down, I go use humility wound am.
I dey text
I
you.
want see who one man pass person wey guy calm down o. As it stands now, I say if she talk, even if she dey wicked pass, if she ginger me finish from work, when I reach house, I use the remaining salary, I go buy NSC, I go drink am.
We go
Depression go
pull
lost.
I dey.
Guy, you dey.
Congratulations, my guy.
A beautiful morning to you today.
Who are you and what do you want?
My name is Dave.
I don't care about your name. I don't care who you are. Very simple. Who are you and what do you want? Or do you think I have time to listen to your stupid rubbish?
Eh?
It's okay. It's okay. His name is Dave, and he's your new driver.
What? They mean, driver, I don't understand.
Okay, so you remember the guy that fixed the car the other day? I thought, why not have a driver that can, fix it in case something like that happens again? What do you think?
Oh, so they mean this is your plan, huh? To get rid of me.
What do you mean by that?
I don't
Will you shut up? I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to this imbecile called my brother, so get out! Get out!
I'm downstairs because...
What is this?
What is wrong with you? Why are you being difficult?
I've never seen where just a mere greeting can get someone to receive such an insult. That girl is a nutcase. Why was she shouting like that? And she's even on a wheelchair. Someone that people are supposed to be pitying. Look at, just imagine. God forbid.
Why are you always doing those things? Why do you give me impressions that you want to get rid of me? Huh? Did I ask for a driver? No! I don't need one. I don't need a babysitter. Oh, wow! I get it. You're doing this because you feel like I'm in a wheelchair and I just can't make decisions for myself, huh?
Why are you always thinking negative? No, tell me, why are you always thinking negative? Can't you think positive for once? You want to go out, you want to do this, you want to go shopping, but you want me to do everything for you. And I'm always around. And I'm okay, like, let me get a driver. And this is the thank you I'm supposed to get.
Oh, wow. So I should thank you for bringing that
Obviously!
useless creature here?
It's dirty. It's useless, okay? It's the same guy you compared to me. The same guy who fixed your car when he had a fault. And if you think it's dirty, yes. I think because of the kind of job he does, it warrants it, okay? I think you're just looking for an excuse.
I'm not looking for an excuse. I'm tired. I'm tired of everything. I'm tired of everyone here. By the way, you better go out and tell that guy to leave this house. And if you also feel like you're tired of me, you can leave as well. I don't care.
Point of correction. If I'm tired, you will leave. You know why? Because this is my father's house. And I strongly believe a woman of your age should be married by now. Excuse me.
Oh, wow. Damian! I knew it. I knew this guy had a motive. That is why he's been doing all these things, huh? He's even reminding me that I need to get married, huh? Damian, I'm not done with you. I'm not done with you.
Just no. Bro, how far? What's up?
Unfortunately, my sister doesn't want you. She doesn't want the driver. She thinks I'm, trying to get rid of her.
I don't understand.
I'm sorry, bro. I probably hired you by mistake.
Oh, wait. Is it that she does not want me as a person, or she does not just want to have a driver at all?
So what my sister wants, she's the only one that can say it. Yeah? For now, she doesn't just want you. I'm sorry, bro. I'm so sorry. It's my fault.
Yeah. No, it's not your fault. So by implication, what you're saying is that I was hired to be fired.
I guess so.
Okay. It's okay. Bro, can I see your sister and tell her I'm going? Like, I didn't get the job, man. I'm so sorry I offended you. That kind of thing.
Is there any point? Is it necessary?
I just feel like it's a humane thing to do. You know, I came for an interview, right? I was hired, kind of. I came to meet my boss. So probably I said something wrong. So I want to just tell her, Ma, I'm sorry for whatever I did. Or let me be going. I'm sorry that I offended you, but so let me just go. I just feel like it's courtesy. You understand? But if you say no, I can go.
No, it's fine. I mean, but just get ready to be insulted.
Insulted?
Yeah.
Bro, trust me, there's no bigger insult than being hired and fired at the same time. All right, just let me just tell her I'm going.
What do you want? What part of I don't need a driver don't you understand?
Ma, I didn't come here to fight you. I just came here to say a few things. Just one thing. All right? It's bad enough what has happened to you, and I'm sorry. I sympathize with you. But guess what? Look, you pity yourself. It's okay. It's okay, but you don't have to drag the whole world into this condition. Yes. You don't have to. Just look at you. Just because you're on a wheelchair don't mean everybody now should be on a wheelchair too.
What?
Yes, what? I'm sorry that it came out very blunt, but it's the truth. Man, you pity yourself. You want everybody to pity you too and pity themselves and just live a miserable life. What has happened? What has happened? What? Your brother even say, okay, she give you driver that will be carrying you. Pity you enough. But you say no. That you don't want driver. I don't understand.
How do you come to my house and
How
talk to
will
me
I
like
not
this?
come to your house, madam? How? How will I not come to your house?
Do you know you're a mere ordinary common driver?
Oh, I'm an ordinary common driver. Yes, I'm an ordinary common driver. But guess what? I am happy. I'm a happy human being. I am happy. I have 1,000 naira in my account, but when I go outside now, I'm going to use that money to buy granite, gari, and cold water with kuli safe and milk. And I will drink it and I will be happy. But guess
please,
what?
you're talking too
You
much.
cannot be happy. You can't be happy because happiness comes from inside. You need to be happy from inside. You want the whole world to pity you. Look at you. You're on a wheelchair. I mean, I'm supposed to be pitying you to say, oh, sorry, man, and feel good for you. But no, I can't. Because you're a terrible person. The whole world is not going to cry.
Get out of this place!
The whole world will not
Get
cry
out!
because you're on a wheelchair, man.
Get out of this place! Just get out!
Wake up! Wake up, man. Have a good day. Rubbish. Tell me the meaning of that. Who does she think she is? Who does she think she is? That because of her, I will lose the job that I just got. I was just celebrating the job just now. And next thing, I'm sacked because of her. Look at, just imagine that rubbish. And she wants to make heaven like that. God will punish that girl, I swear to God.
Why are you angry? He did something good for you, but you insulted him.
Why are you always against me?
Oh, come on. I am not against you. I am your true friend who will tell you the truth. You said he helped you guys when you were on the road. Your brother decided to give him a job, but you fired him. Because you want your brother to labor for you for the rest of his life.
That is not the truth.
That is the truth. That is exactly what I'm saying here. You are always bitter. Nothing makes you happy. You do impossible things to drag everybody down. You create a circle of bitterness to drag everybody down. You can't continue like this. I mean, you have to live a life. A happy life for people around you to also be happy. Let people benefit from your happiness.
I might be on this wheelchair for the rest of my life.
Yes, according to the doctor. So you want your brother to be unhappy for the rest of his life because he was the one on the steering.
Well, that is not enough reason for someone to come at my doorstep and insult me. I feel offended.
I think you went too far.
What? Okay, I'll give him back his job.
So be it.
Guy. What happened now? What are you doing home so early? I thought you'd be coming back later. Abi, she doesn't have anywhere she's driving to today.
Okay, I got fired.
which one is fired again? Job that you just got. Abi, you resigned.
Guy, I said I was fired. You're asking me to resign. The two of them sound the same, or are they the same thing? Guy, as I got to the place, the girl just saw me. Next thing she just shouted that I should get out. I've not even walked in. This girl just used her own to spoil my thing. Just pour sand inside my garage. Job that we were all here celebrating, me and you were jumping that 500k for driver work. This girl just used her bad and evil mind to destroy it. Guy, my head scattered. I was just thinking of the money. 500k. But you trust me now. I gave her a piece of my mind before I leave there. Guy, the words I told that girl. No. No human being can take those things I said.
For a job where you just get, you are given a piece of your mind. Eh?
What you mean for a job where I just get? What can she do to me again? She has already done her worst now. She has already fired me. I'm fired. She don't fire me now. She feel like kill me now. Look, it's better I told her those things so that at least the next person she will employ, she will respect that person. She will know that that person is human too.
Hey. See the job that we are so happy about. We're just so happy about. I just the jollificate. Eh? How I felt that we've escaped that useless landlord. That useless landlord now with this job. God, see, I like this. We don't elevate. Hey, God, what am I going to do like this? So what are we going to do now?
If I knew what I was going to do, you think you'd find me here? No, I just want to sleep. Just sleep, forget my sorrows. Nothing more.
Hey, what are we going to do like this now? Eh? When I thought we escaped this thing, we are back to square one. Oh.
Square one? Square 100.
Huh? Hi. 500k job. We won't consider. We don't elevate.
Tell him to come to work tomorrow.
What are you talking about?
The driver. Isn't that what you wanted?
Oh. After the insult you gave the young man, you expect me to call him and tell him to come here? Well, I'll try. If he's in urgent and dire need of the job, he will definitely resume. And coming from you, that's a positive one.
Watch your mouth. I'm still your elder sister.
So, as my elder sister, all I have to do is respect you because I'm your younger brother. But you feel I don't deserve some level of respect, right?
You earn respect. You don't ask for it.
And you think I've not earned it?
Wherever, just tell him to resume tomorrow.
Hello? Okay, thank you. Yes, I'll be there in the morning. All right. Thank you.
Guy, don't wait. What is it?
Guy, they said I should come back to that job. 500k job. I should come back.
Eh?
Guy.
I mean, whatever you thought I really hit out.
Guy, I don't know. Oh, God. I don't care. But as I go back there, I'm a good boy.
Very good boy.
Guy. They don't give me the job back. Just like that.
But if you reach there, come on your clothes. Make the work on top. Anything, stupid boy, yes. Do everything, yes. You probably speak for sweet, yes.
Sweet. Promise me sweet. What do you mean?
The speak of sweet now, 500k. My guy, you are gonna be half a millionaire. My guy, see, go and freshen up, go back, go ready.
But you don't say 500k big pass bankers salary, some of them, sha.
Oh my guy, what did they talk? They go dey morning till now. You just dey drive, you dey for AC. You know, because they tell you are stupid.
Just say you're stupid. Yes.
They used to na your language. You understand? Me, your language na insult na your language.
Insult, you know what? Start to the insult me, make I dance around.
Muggle.
Yes.
Muggle.
Yes.
You're foolish.
Yes.
You're foolish.
Thank you, sir. You never cost me enough for you.
No, you go respond.
Yes, I want to talk.
Okay.
Advance Sam.
Okay. Muggle.
No.
Foolish.
No polarize them.
Okay.
Hit them. Make I know.
Foolish.
Yes, sir.
Mugu.
Yes, sir.
Muggle.
Yes, sir. You know this guy no fit insult person. No. Good day.
Is this the time to come to work?
Ma'am, I resume by 8 and this is just 7:30 a.m.
What are you here for? Are you that desperate that you can't stay in your home? 30 minutes earlier. I said 8 and not 7:30.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't know that coming 30 minutes earlier. I used to think it was supposed to mean that I took my job serious, but I didn't know it's a sign of desperation. I'm so sorry.
Oh, so are you now talking back at me?
No, I'm not talking back at you. That's why I said I'm sorry. Tomorrow I'll come 8 on the dot.
I have a doctor's appointment and we're leaving now.
Now? Or 8 a.m.?
Is that supposed to be funny?
I'm not laughing.
Do you really need this job or you just want to frustrate me?
No, Ma, I will never frustrate you. I've had first-hand share of frustration and I don't think it's what I want to give to somebody else.
Let's go.
Ma, you didn't answer now.
Let's go!
Ma, now?
Now!
Or 8?
Excuse me. Am I supposed to fly into the car? Or should I officially ask you to do the needful?
Oh, I'm sorry. You know I'm not in your class, so I'm trying to respect myself so that I don't disrespect you. But I'll try.
You claim you love me. So why can't you tolerate this much for me?
You know what I feel for you isn't claim. I actually do love you. It's just that the attitude of your sister. How are we supposed to live in the same space with her? She's so rude and arrogant. Is this how we'll keep fighting for the rest of our lives?
I'm fighting this. I'm going through this as well.
I understand. I know you would never wish for your sister to be in a wheelchair.
Yes.
But your sister needs to understand that it was an accident. She needs to understand the accident happens. Okay, what if she was the one driving? Is this how she will blame herself for the rest of her life? She has made the house too toxic for me at this point.
I'm sorry. And it's even affecting our relationship.
Of course. Okay, we had a relationship. We broke up. Just now that we are back together, I'm seeing the demon in your sister. She never used to be like this. It's choking me, like I can't bear it. And if the situation doesn't get better, I won't visit you again.
What do you mean? Are you going to leave me in this? I mean, you want me to go through this alone?
You know I love you. But a woman just doesn't marry a man. She marries his family. Your sister needs to see a therapist to help her understand what she's going through and help her with it. But until then, I'll stay miles away from you until she gets the help that she needs.
Is that it?
Let her see a therapist. She needs it.
Okay.
Here's the water. And here's your drugs. Please take. Hey. Why did you do that?
I don't know. It just felt like. Well, get something and clean it up.
Me, clean it.
Please, hurry up.
As what? Your servant? Look, I'm employed as your driver, nothing more. All right? First of all, you tell me to go and bring water. I just lock up. I went to do it. And now you put it on the floor and you're telling me to clean it. That's what? Am I your slave?
And do you think you have an option?
Yes, I do.
You only have 2 options. Clean it up or get fired.
So that's the game you want to play.
Does it look like a game? Clean it up or get out.
Fine.
Ugh. Why would you do that?
Excuse me, what's going on here?
What does this look like? Well, my servant is cleaning the house.
For God's sake, he's your driver, not your cleaner. Where's Rosa?
I choose what I want, and I want him to clean the house. Or do you have any problem with that?
Dave. Dave, why are you doing this?
Don't worry, it's fine. My boss wants me to do it, so that's exactly what I'm doing. Right?
Yeah. Ew!
Bro. I'm sorry, okay? I'm very sorry.
What happened?
See, I don't know you that much, but I know that you're a man of pride and dignity. I know that if you had an alternative, you wouldn't be here. And I know what poverty can do to a man. So, I know my sister brought you back to rubbish you. I know, it's someone I know. But please, I'm very sorry.
No, it's fine. She can do whatever she wants to do as long as it makes her happy. I mean, it's my job, so anything my boss wants me to do, I'll do it.
No. Come to think of it, I can get you a better job. I mean, it's more dignifying than this. The pay is not up to this one, but at least it's better.
Why would you want to do that?
Bro, see, this woman, my sister in question, I share the same blood with her. I'm being choked up. I know what she's capable of doing, so
it's okay,
how much
bro.
more what she's going to do to you? Bro, I'm concerned for you.
No, I understand, but it's fine. It's fine. I'll cope. All right, it's my first day on the job, so yeah, I'll get used to it. But can I ask?
Okay.
What exactly happened to her?
Bro, see, it's a long story. But are you going home? Are you in a haste?
I'm actually going to sleep.
No, just come in. Let's go have a drink. Don't worry, come.
All right, sure.
Yes!
Finally! Oh!
Yes! We got this!
Yeah.
We got this contract.
We got it!
Finally.
I'm so happy! Oh my god! Oh!
I'm so happy.
I can't believe this. We finally got the contract. Oh my god!
After chasing this contract for how many months, and we finally got it.
I just can't imagine that we really got this contract. I mean, oh, I'm so happy. I just feel like going out and, clubbing and everything.
Sis, let's just have fun at home, okay?
Oh,
let's bring friends home. Sis, let's bring friends home. Let's party. There's enough drinks. Come on.
I know, but I don't
Are you not
feel
tired?
like I just want to go out. I want to have fun. I mean, this is a youth thing. And I know very well where mom and dad is. They're so proud of us.
Obviously, yes. Mom is going to be proud of us.
So?
Okay. You are the CEO. Whatever you say stands. So, let's go clubbing.
And I wouldn't have been a CEO without your help. So, I love you, bro.
I love you too. Okay, so where's the key?
You'll drive, right?
No, you drive.
Please, drive.
No, why? I want you to drive.
Okay, one condition.
What's the condition?
I drive and you drive back.
Sis, I don't want us to go out,
Why
okay?
are you complaining?
Let's
Have fun. Let's enjoy. Let's celebrate.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's go.
So happy. I'm so drunk, bro. Spin this car.
No.
Spin this car.
Loretta, is that a good idea?
Oh my god, it's a good idea. Spin it, your shot.
You're drinking too much.
Check the first one.
You're drinking too much.
Father. So true. Chike me now. Surrender to God. Bro, drive this car. Spin
Are you
this
sure?
car. Spin it like you've never done before.
Are you sure?
Yeah. We're gonna do this. I mean, oh God. Shots. Wait.
We're driving too
wait.
fast.
No, speed. Oh. Good idea. We got the control. Got the tenor.
Wow. That's how my sister became a shadow of herself. You know, she has been confined to the wheelchair ever since. And she blames me for, that singular act. We've tried every possible means. Medical, spiritual, religious, just name it. Nothing seems to work. And we were told the damage is irreparable. So she has to live like that for the rest of her life. But she keeps holding me to this, saying I'm the one at fault.
No, but she's the one that told you to drive, even after you complained that you were drunk.
She would never let go, bro. Loretta even thinks I was trying to get rid of her. She thinks I want to become the company's CEO. Yeah, there's a company our parents were running before they died. So she thinks I want to go.
That's an unkind thing to think. But have you guys tried therapy?
What do you mean by therapy?
Well, if this is a condition and you guys are sure she's never going to use her legs again, then she will need a therapy. Therapy so that she can accept what she is right now and live the rest of her life to its full potentials.
So you mean with the therapy, my sister will get better?
Well, in my understanding from my school of thoughts, your sister is mentally imbalanced. You get, like, she'll probably be having a hard time accepting what she is. You get, so with therapy, she's probably going to accept it, and be able to live in accordance.
I like the idea, but there's just one problem. Loretta would never agree to this.
Now then we have to make her. We need to make her.
Did I hear you say we?
Well, yes. I'm in this as much as you are right now.
I've been stuck in the dark with a shadow of myself, fighting just to smile, but I'm feeling so well.
How can someone so lively all of a sudden become so bitter? I know life happens to people, yeah, but nobody should allow life take over them.
Fading away per seconds. Each passing day leaves me with so much pain. I keep asking, could this be my fate? I need to hear. I need to hear.
Good morning.
Why did you come inside?
I work here.
I'm not going anywhere, so go back and stay outside.
But I thought we were going out.
Ah. So now you can tell me what to do and what not to do, huh? I am not going anywhere.
Look, one thing I've learned about you is that you like to talk and force people to listen. But have you sat down to ask yourself, what will you do if nobody listens to you?
And what do you mean?
We are going out. That's because I say so.
Are you okay? What is wrong with you? Are you crazy? Can you leave me
Your
alone?
brother said I should bring you somewhere.
I don't care about my brother. Who is he to decide for me? Leave me
Well,
alone.
technically, your brother is my boss, and what he says is what I'm going to do.
Leave me alone. I'm not going anywhere. What is wrong with
You will fall down. You will fall down. Will you
me
relax?
alone. I'm not going.
Hoping to heal in a space that is timeless. Oh, you're still living, but fading away by seconds. Each passing day leaves me with so much pain. I keep asking, could this be my fate? I need to heal. I need to heal. I need to heal. Such a reality to accept, such a truth but hard. Just in a space of a little time, a switch between who I was and who I am. Two persons, only one body. Whoa, that's the fight I face. Healing become.
Why are you taking me? Why are you doing this? Who sent you? If something happens to me, I swear before God, I will get you locked. I will deal with you.
You have to survive this first. I mean, you can scream, shout, do anything you want to do. Nobody will hear you because look at the windows. It's tinted. And you know this car is bulletproof and soundproof. So you can't even break the windows. So hold on. I'm taking you to where I'm taking you.
Why are you doing this? Who sent you? Who paid you to get rid of me?
Loretta, if you want to survive this, you just relax first, okay? I'm the one doing the driving. I'm the one in charge. Just relax. I'm taking you to where your brother said I should bring you to. I said it before.
I knew it. I suspected. I knew there was something off with this guy driver. What do you want to do? Do you want to kill me? You want to kill me? You want to finish me, huh? It's fine. Kill me. Finish me. What do you want? What do you want? Do you want a ransom?
Ransom? Oh my God. Ransom, really? Okay. You should just sit down and be worried about your life anyways. Let's just go. Don't worry. This, I promise you, is a life-changing experience. Let's go. I want to kidnap you.
Why are you doing this? What did I do wrong? Of course, I know, yes. I said some bad, nasty words to you. But is it that much for you to want to kill me?
You think I want to kill you? Really? Oh, come on. Look, I just want us to talk. All right? I just want us to talk like two sensible adults, you and I. All right? Two clear adults, not like a boss and her driver. No. I want us to talk. All right? I promise you, after we have this conversation, I believe it will be better for both of us.
So what if I don't want?
Please. All right, please. Let's just have this conversation. Look, I just want us to talk. All right, I just want to talk, Miss Loretta. All right, I know. All right, it's easy for you rich people to forget that people like us who are hustling and struggling are humans too. But we are humans. All right, we are humans, and yes, condition has brought us to where we are, but you people need to understand that with us, we have our own contribution to your own general well-being and the things that you people have done too.
What do you mean?
Yes, I mean, when you go out to work, it's the driver that drives you to where you go to work. When you're hungry, it's your cook that keeps the food for you to eat, that gives you energy to go about your daily hustle. The gatesman in your house is the one responsible for your security. He's the one who stands there first. His own life is even more in danger than yours because he's the one that will meet the armed robbers first before they come to your house. The ones he's trying to protect you from. Should we even talk about your housemaid, the one that keep your house clean, where you can sit down and think?
Where are you driving at?
I'm just saying. I'm just trying to tell you something simple. All right? Life happened to us. That's why we are the way we are. we know the accident that happened to you is bad. Right? It is an unfortunate thing, but we still care. We just want to work in a less toxic environment.
Is it money that you want?
Or you think I want money? I'm just trying to make sense. To talk some sense to this really awesome lady that God has blessed. Right? I want you to be happy. I know I may have come off the wrong way, but I just want you to be happy. And I'm sure your brother wants you to be happy too. That's why he put me on this job. All right, we just all want you to be less angry and less toxic.
You know, it's very easy for you to say that because you're not on a wheelchair. I will be spending the rest of my life on this wheelchair.
You think that's the worst that can happen? Because you're on a wheelchair. Okay, you know what? Can I drive you somewhere?
Where do you want to take me?
Just let me drive you there. With your permission. I just want to show you some things.
Where are you taking me?
Just trust me. All right, please. What is the difference between you and those beggars sitting over there? I mean, they've lost their legs, but look at them. Happy and smiling, filled with joy. While you, on the other hand, you have everything you would need to be happy. You have a good family, you have a brother, you have money, you have a roof over your head. But for some reason, you've chosen to just not be happy. To me, I just feel like you preferred that the accident had killed you instead.
Why would you say something like that?
No, because yes, you forget that it could have gone south. I mean, you forget that you could have died in that accident.
Is that what you think? Do you know how it feels? Do you know how it feels for someone who was once working, giving orders, running her own company, being the CEO of her own company, to just sit and being unable to move, sit on a wheelchair? Do you think it's that easy? You don't know how it feels.
I'll be lying, all right? I'll be lying if I say I know what it feels like. I don't, all right? I don't. But I'm just saying, look at them. If they can be happy, then why can't you?
Has changed. Everything is ruined. I can't even have a relationship.
Wait, you think... Who says you can't have a relationship? Look, there are people out there that would love you regardless of your condition. There are people that all they care about is what's in your heart and in your head, not your appearance alone.
I am stuck. I'm stuck. Everyone that comes across me, all they do is just pity me. I don't want anyone to pity me.
Oh, so that's it? Is that the reason why you wreak havoc on people? Because you don't want people to pity you? So instead of them to pity you, you just go about wreaking havoc and cussing them out? All right, no one is going to pity you. If you walk into your company, right, no one will pity you. All they will do is be happy that you are back. All right, they'll be happy that their CEO is back. So think about it. That's all they will think of. That's all they want, because with your presence there, the company would run back to the glory it used to be.
Are you saying I can live a normal life?
Yes.
No, it's impossible.
Yes, you can live a happy, normal life. But first, you have to accept your condition. Then we'll figure out a way and how to move forward from there. But it's all on you. It's all on you. It's all on you.
Dev,
Yes, ma'am.
can we not go home?
So where would you want us to go?
I don't know. Anywhere, but not home.
Oh, so you want us to drive around town?
Sounds like a good idea.
Okay, sure.
happened?
You were sleeping so soundly, so I thought to let you sleep.
Did you sleep here? My brother! Everyone will be worried!
No, I called your brother and told him what was going on.
He's aware. Do you want to go back now?
Yes, please take me home.
All right.
Loretta, are you alright?
Yes, I'm fine. Dev took good care of me for the night.
Thank you, Dave. Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure. I'm sorry, please. I don't know if it's okay for me to ask. Can I quickly go home, freshen up, and change my clothes?
Is it necessary? You can just freshen up here. Oh, sorry, I forgot you don't have a change of clothes.
Wait, come to think of it, I can give you some clothes.
Okay, sure. I'll just wheel her to her room then.
Okay.
All right.
Come, let me show you the guest room.
All right.
Wow. He made so much impact just in one night. What have you decided to do?
Well, I don't know. I don't know. I'm just still thinking.
Come on. It's not wrong, my friend. You can still be happy. You can still live your life the way you want it. You can still do things that pleases you.
Yeah.
But one thing for sure is that keep your mind open.
Well, yeah. I haven't seen Nancy in a while. Is she still your girlfriend?
Why did you ask? Well, she's one leg in, one leg out. And, she's trying to stay away from the toxic environment because she doesn't know what's going on in the house. And I fully understand that. I totally do.
I want to see her. Would you please ask her to come? I just want to talk to everyone.
Loretta, I hope there's no problem this time around.
No, I just want to see her. No problem. Like, everything is fine.
Okay. Okay, if you want to see her, you have a number, so take your phone and text her. Let me be sure that there's no problem.
Please, I promise.
Say it again.
I promise.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Do you think this is the right thing to do?
It's the perfect thing to do. And that's the truth. Like, if you decide, I am willing to be by your side all through the journey. I promise, it's a promise.
I don't know where to start, but I'll manage my words. Nancy, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for everything I did. I'm sorry for all the hurtful words and the hostile words I used against you. That was so wrong of me and I shouldn't have done that. Please just find a place in your heart to forgive me. And to you, my brother Damien, I know whatever happened was an accident and I shouldn't have held it for so long. I know I mistreated you and I made you accountable for all the things that happened. I know you love me. I know you're my brother and your intentions are so real. You care for me and I shouldn't have treated you how I treated you. I'm so sorry. I guess I just wanted everyone to be as happy as I was. And that is going to be so impossible. Please, guys, find it in your hearts to forgive me. I'm begging you.
It's okay. You shouldn't even be the one asking for forgiveness. I should be the one seeking for your forgiveness. I put you in this condition. I've been living with the guilt ever since. I'm so sorry. And just like Dave said, a perfect life is very possible. All it takes is just for you to accept the situation, and that's it.
And that is the problem, guys. That is the problem. I cannot accept the situation. I just can't handle.
Hey. That's why you need therapy. All right, that's why you need to see someone. You need to go for counseling. That's one way you'll be able to regain your sanity and live through this situation. All right, you need to accept your current condition so that you can move forward. All right, please. Trust me, you need it.
Thank you.
It's okay, just enjoy your food.
Come in.
I'm leaving. All right.
Deb.
Yes.
Would you please help me find a therapist?
What?
Yeah. I don't know how it's gonna happen. I don't know how it's gonna sound, but I need one and I wanna try it out.
That is a good decision. It's a great one, actually. And I'll be there with you, right? Every step of the way. All right?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Wow, you don't mean it though. So
I'm telling you.
like play now. How do I know the fully come out?
Well, I mean, I guess she was willing to change, you know. And I promised her I'll be by her side all through the way.
Guy, I don't suspect you. You should say they work for this lady, Abi, don't turn something else.
I don't understand.
So make I visualize that they suspect you.
Guy, what are you saying? I'm just trying to help.
Help. With that twinkling in your eyes, how they help people?
With twinkling in my eye, you do
Huh? Even as I they look your eye and I see they shine, they look me. My
shine
guy.
go where, guy. I don't blame you. Wait till they talk. Calm down.
No, calm down. Tell me true. Are you falling for her?
See this guy.
Tell me now, you my guy.
Guy, I say calm down. Falling for who? I'm just helping her. I said it. But do you think she would reason me? As in, do you think she will ever consider me?
Anyway, you just take it slowly. You can never say never. And something can just fall in later, you know. Okay, but with the way things are going, my G, I think you should just take everything naturally. You get naturally, and something can just, you know, you understand? Bad guy.
You don't come with relationship expert.
This one sweets me, Sha.
No,
It sweets me.
I don't know what you're saying because I'm just helping, like I said. Just helping.
The way you behave, that they help people.
No, bro.
This kind of eye.
If she's better, if she's better, my salary is fixed. Think it like that.
That's the point.
Are you ready?
Are you sure?
Hey. You're doing this. Alright? This therapy is needed.
Yeah.
And you cannot worry because I'll be with you all the way. Alright?
I like that guy.
Yeah, it's actually, it's funny. Sorry.
Yeah. What is it?
You're beautiful.
Oh.
Oh, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that.
No. If you mean it, then thank you. Cheers.
I've been stuck in the dark with a shadow of myself, fighting just to smile, but I feel it so well. Hoping to heal in a space that is timeless. Oh, still living, but fading away by seconds. Each passing day leaves me with so much pain. I keep asking, could this be my fate? Oh, I need to heal. I need to heal.
How do I look?
Stunning.
Mm?
Yes. And I'm happy you're finally resuming work. Yes. I'm proud of you. To be honest, I am proud of the progress that you've made.
Thank you so much. And all of this is because of you. You came into my life and you made me see life at a different angle. You changed everything. I got my confidence back. I almost forgot I lost my legs.
I'm just glad I was able to help.
Thank you. I'm so grateful.
It's fine. And you know what? Let's go to the office and tell them the CEO is back.
No, without our brother standing beside her, you know? Hey sis,
Hey.
you know I have pure love for you.
Thank you.
All love. So let's go to the office and get your seat as the CEO. Shall we?
Oh, of course.
Alright.
Thank you.
Go in.
Do you have my favorite drink? Oh my god, I'm so happy. I just feel like celebrating.
Are you serious?
Don't worry, guys. We're not going outside. We're doing it indoors. Oh my god, I can't believe I went to work today and everyone was so happy to see me. Dev, thank you so much. Thank you so much for everything you just done for me. I'm so grateful.
I didn't do anything out of the ordinary, okay? And I'm glad I was able to help.
Thank you.
Yes, let's go get that drink, okay?
Okay, I'll join you guys in a few.
Oh, okay.
Dave.
Yes.
Honestly, thank you.
Thank me for what?
I mean, for everything. You just came into this house and you've solved this mystery. My sister used to be a very bitter person, and now look at her, all sweet. All thanks to you. And also, you restored my relationship. I mean, all I can say is thank you.
Oh, I'm glad I was able to help. And thank you also for giving me the opportunity to work here.
Ah, come on. That's the least I could do. Thank you once again.
Yeah. So,
when are you going to address the elephant in the room?
What elephant?
Come on. When are you going to tell her what you feel about her?
Yeah.
I'm sure she'll be, happy to hear it.
We'll see. Sorry. Put you on the bed, okay? Just be, in case you need it. Alright. Is this close? It's close.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm good. Okay.
Dev, how long are we going to play these hide and seek games? Why do we keep on pretending that we don't know what we want?
What do you mean?
I'm a girl of my words, and I don't beat about the bush. I know this is awkward, this is weird, but Dev, I'm in love with you. Yes, I've fallen in love with you. And I'm not ashamed to say it. I don't know if you feel the same way, but if you feel I'm worthy, we can create something beautiful out of this.
Wow. Okay, now I feel like an idiot.
Why?
Well, because I always wanted to say this. I don't know. I just thought you were going to take it as an insult, and now you've beaten me to it.
Wait, are you saying that you're also feeling the same?
Hold on, just give me a minute. Any guy that does not want you does not know what he wants. Alright, and yes, I've been in love with you for a very long time. I liked you the first day I saw you.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
And you gave me an earful.
Oh, wow. Like, I had to do what I had to do. Alright. And I'm glad I did. I don't regret it at all because it has led me to this moment. And if you will have me, I promise to cherish you for the rest of my life.
Promise?
I promise.
I've been stuck in the dark with a shadow of myself, fighting just to smile, but I feel it so well. Hoping to heal in a space that is timeless. Oh, you're still living, but fading away by seconds. Each passing day leaves me with so much pain. I keep asking, could this be my afraid. I need to heal. I need to heal. I need to heal. Such a reality to accept, such a truth but hard. Just in the space of a little time, a switch between who I was and who I am. Two persons, only one body. Whoa, that's the fight I face. Healing becoming so impossible. Yeah. These situations not really merciful. Love, oh love.